Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachna and here on my channel I do a lot of beauty videos and I talk about makeup and I talk about all girly things. So if you would like to join me, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And today I'm going to do a haul for you guys and it's a bit of a mix haul. First we're going to start off with Forever 21 and the first thing I want to show you actually is these set of earrings that I've got, and this is a set of 5 earrings. I've always been into like hoops, but I'm not a very big fan of like massive hoops because I've got a really small face and I didn't realize how big these would be, but I know a friend who's going to love them, so I can pass these on to her. I love these hoops here. They're like the perfect size for me. And then it also comes with like 2 different style of studs. They're really pretty too. And today I forgot to wear earrings, so we're just going to pop some on. I'll wear some hoops, and I think I'll wear these ones here, which are like double hoops with like a twisted effect to them. Sorry, I was just blocking my face there for a second. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these on really quickly. There we go. These are how they look. I think they're really pretty. I do like this size. These were £6 from Forever 21 and yeah, I think it was a bargain and they're really nice and the quality is really good. Now moving on to the next thing that I got from Forever 21, which is these sunnies. The thing is, I struggle to find sunglasses which like would fit my face because I have such a small face, and so like it either have to be like kid sizes or like minis or something like that. So these are the sunnies that I picked up. The frame of them is gold and the lens is brown. I've not really taken off the label or anything yet, but I'm gonna look like a weirdo, but this is how they look on my face. I should really take the labels off instead of looking so crazy. But yeah, these are how they look. And yeah, these were actually on sale for £4.50, which is why I picked them up, and super affordable, and I think they fit great on my face. The reason why I actually went onto the Forever 21 site was to actually find some jeans. Now I really struggle with jeans too, like I have like really short legs. The average women's size skinny jeans don't really fit that well on me. I saw these ones. These were also on sale. These are the just black skinny jeans with the zippered pockets. As you can see here, it's got like 3 zips and they open up and they're actually like pockets, which are really nice size pockets. They are mid-raised jeans, skinny jeans in the size 24. I have tried them on and they are a little bit like loose on my waist, but that's nothing I can't fix with a belt. Yeah, they fit perfectly lengthwise, and yeah, and I'm so glad I picked these up. These were £10. Now we're going to move on to New Look, and from New Look I only picked up one thing, and these are the heels that I picked up. Aren't they so beautiful? These are nude pink suede heels. They're pointed from the front, which I love, and then this is the heel on it, which is like perfect for me. It's not too high and they won't be uncomfortable to walk in, and you've also got your adjustable strap on the back, which is like perfect. I saw them and I fell in love with them, but then I saw the price on them and I fell in love with them even more. These were on sale. When I picked them up and I was looking at the price, I thought it said £9, but I actually got them for £6. I didn't realize that was a 6. Maybe I was looking at it upside down, I don't know, but I paid £6 for them, so you know, it was just perfect, and I love them so much, and they fit my feet perfectly and they're the perfect height. The next thing that I picked up are some nail polishes, and these are from Kiko Milano. Kiko have some of my favorite nail polishes because they're so affordable, yet they have such a range of nail polishes. They have cream finish, metallic finish, and so many different ones. I always go in there to check out their nail polishes because they're always on sale and they have so many different colors. And I picked up 2. This is just their normal nail lacquer in the shade 379. They don't really have any names, and it's like this plummy purple color. It's what I've got on my nails right now, but it's kind of chipped because I've had this manicure for about 2 weeks now. That's why it looks a bit horrible on my nails. And the next one I picked up is their holographic nail lacquer, and this is in the shade 005. This again is a beautiful color, a blue holographic nail polish, but it's got a base of like a blue, and then it's got tons and tons of like holographic glitter in there. I don't know if it comes up on camera really well. I was on Amazon and I seen this, and this is the U-Skin Retinol Serum. Retinol is supposed to reduce wrinkle, tighten the skin, tone the skin, smooth, to give you a smooth and radiant complex, and it's also is supposed to like reduce acne and blemishes and stuff like that, which is why I was looking for a good retinol, and some of the prices that I saw were crazy. So I didn't want to really spend that much without trying something, and I read really good reviews on Amazon, which is why I picked it up. This is what I am using at the moment, and I've been using it. I think I bought this for about a month ago or something like that. It's been only a month, couple of weeks that I've had this, and I've been using this, and this retinol serum has changed my life. My skin is so much smoother, it's so much brighter, and I don't have as many blemishes. You get them like, you know, at the time of the month. This one that I'm using is 2.5% retinol, and it hasn't been that rough on me. I've not seen any breakouts or anything like that, but I did notice a big difference within a week of using this, and I love it so much. It's become a staple in my skincare for sure, and I just love it so much. And I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I'll leave the link for it in the description box too. It's on Amazon, so I'm sure, you know, you guys will be able to find it anywhere. And yeah, I love it so much. And it comes in, I'll show you. It just comes in a bottle like this, and it's got like a pipette. Pipette, is that what you'd call it? Yeah. Now moving on to some just basic items. So I popped into Boots like I always do whenever I go into the city centre, and I picked up two staples, and one of them is just a lip balm, and this is the Nivea Watermelon Shine Lip Balm. Not gonna lie, the only reason I picked this up because one, I needed a lip balm, but two, it smells like watermelon and I love it. I love me some watermelon. I do like this blush pink colour. I was in Boots and I looked at so many different ones, and the one that I actually picked up is this one, and this is the Simple Protecting Light Moisturizer, and it has SPF 15, UVA and UVB, which I thought it was perfect because when you're using a retinol serum, you need to use SPF because your skin becomes sensitive to the sun, so you have to protect it from the sun, and I thought this would be perfect. So after my retinol, I can put this on. I know I need to get a stronger SPF, but that's another thing I'm on the hunt for. So if you guys know any good SPFs, do let me know in the comments below. So I picked this up, and I've been loving this. It's actually really nice. It's really light, it feels moisturizing, my skin feels like really plump and nice, and it's affordable, and it's worked really well. Now I'm going to move on to one of my biggest purchases. That is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. I love it so much, and I loved it online. I loved all the pictures, so I had to pick it up, and it's so beautiful. Whoops, and it's upside down. It does get very dirty. I have used it a bit, so you can see some marks on it. As you'll be able to see inside, I have used this palette. I have swatched it. Yeah, as you can see, it has beautiful colors in there, and I'm so happy I picked this up because it's like one palette you can do so many looks with, and it has everything in there. I love all the bright colors, all the neutral colors, all the warm colors, and I just think it's like perfect, and I'm very happy I've got this. That's it for the whole video. Those are all the products that I got. Those are all the things that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to hit on that like button, and do subscribe to my channel. And I know we are growing, and I am so happy at the rate we are growing, and I know I need to be more consistent and upload more, and I'm so happy that you guys do enjoy my videos, and do leave me some lovely comments below. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.